So the next video tutorial in Spring and Hibernate, it is Spring dependency injection. Write some code part 1. To minimize this window and to get the file explorer window, we can just double click on this tab, whatever the tab you are working currently. On the top of that tab you need to double click, then it will be minimized and there will be a space to display the project view and other windows. So what we are going to do is we are creating first of all we are creating a interface called fortune service. We are going to create an interface called fortune service. That is the first task. So now what we are doing is we are creating an interface. So expand this node spring demo 1 and expand this src node, and you can expand this package. Right click on this package and highlight new and select interface. New and select interface. The name of the interface, it is fortune service. Fortune service. Then hit the finish button. Okay, here we have the fortune service. This interface will be having only one method, that is called get fortune public. Let me give a white space. Public string, public string get fortune, not fortuner, just a fortune, and the signature. So you can observe here in interface we do have only the method declarations, not the method definition, not the method implementation. We are just having the method declaration. So this is it for this fortune service interface. Now we are going to create one class called happy fortune service. So right click on this package and highlight new and select a class. The name of the class is happy fortune service. Okay, now click on this add button. Click on this add button. Now I want to implement, I wanted to implement this class. So basically this class has to implement the fortune service interface. So you can just type that fortune, let me fortune service. Yes, you can just click on OK, otherwise you can just click on add. So now you can just click on finish. So what we are going to do here, it is why we are getting this red mark here. Let me hover over this mouse on top of this. Okay, fortune service, and we have this yeah, let me save this. And right here, you are right here, the red mark, it is gone now. Okay, it is of saving issue. We need to be careful that we need to, for every changes we have made to the code, we need to save that change. So here I'm just hard coding the value in the return. So today is your lucky day. Save it. So this implementation class happy fortune service is implementing fortune service interface. Now it is the method get fortune method, it is returning something like today is your lucky day. Okay, this is it for this um, fortune service interface and happy fortune service class. Now what we are going to do is we are going back to coach interface, and here what I'm doing, I'm keeping one more method declaration called public oh, string get daily fortune. This is the method I'm going to keep here. So another method in the coach interface I'm keeping, that is public string get fortune. Save this, and we will get error in the project. Why? Because the implementation class has to develop these methods. This implementation class has to develop, implement those methods. So just here hover over the mouse on this red mark, and you can get a suggestion from the Eclipse. Here you are getting the suggestion, and the first suggestion, it is to add unimplemented methods. So you can click on that suggestion. What it will do is it will be creating a method, default method for that particular unimplemented methods of coach interface, that is get a daily fortune. So we have got this default method implementation with the auto generated stub. So you can just remove this auto generated stub, and here yes, leave it for this return value null. Save it and come back to track coach, because track coach also it is implementing coach interface, and this coach interface we have added another method called get daily fortune, and this track coach implementation class as well need to implement those method. For that you can just hover over mouse on this red mark, and you can just click on the first suggestion that is showing from that is showed by Eclipse. So click on the first and remove the auto generated stub here, and just click just press save button. Okay, so this is it for this video. So we have done whatever we have done. It is like first and foremost, we have created one interface called fortune service, and there I have kept here public string get fortune. So then we have created one class called Happy Fortune Service. This class is implementing Fortune Service, and we are giving the implementation for the method that we have declared in the Fortune Service, that is get fortune, and I have hard coded something to return to this method, like today is your lucky day. So then we have gone to coach interface, and here also we kept one more method called public string get daily fortune. So after this we have gone to the classes that implements coach interface, that is in case here it is baseball coach and track coach, and we have implemented unimplemented methods by using our code auto generation, and here as well in track coach class as well we have generated auto auto code we have generated auto code. So this is what we have done in this video. So this is it for this video, and we will see the development in the next video, that is spring dependency injection, write some code part 2. So thank you.